Creating online courses become a trend. Not only a trend, it becomes an essential for each and every engineers for sharing their knowledge, whether they want to share the knowledge for a price or for their inside the organization to their team. Creating online courses become a method of sharing the knowledge, because it gives a capsules of knowledge, the essential knowledge which is required target audience. And the thing is that the presenter or the knowledge giver need not be present always and every times when they want to receive the knowledge. They can receive the knowledge at any time by logging into the online website and watch the video classes and take the necessary action. So it becomes one of the most important things, especially for engineers, because they have a lot of knowledge to share. They want to solve a lot of problems, so they want to help the people, so they want to share those knowledges to the people. So hi, I'm Pradeep Kumar KP. I'm an engineer's growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in life. I'm here going to share a few steps that required to create online courses. Hope that's going to be helpful for you people. Let us start. What is the first step? Creating an online course can be a complex process, but here are some of the general steps you can follow. The first one is the main hero is the topic. So choose a topic. So select a topic that you have the knowledge and that you target audience is interested to learning. So selecting the topics is one of the important things that I generally suggest people they have their own expertise on those field. They can choose those topics and they can share those knowledge to the audience. The second one is define learning objectives. So that is very important things. What's the result you want to bring into your audience is very important. So you have to define the learning objectives. So identify the specific skills and knowledge that you want the learners going to gain and taking your course. This will help you to structure the content and assessment. So it's very important that what the objective, what is the result you want to bring into your students. So also define your objectives. Then plan the course structure. Then accordingly, you have to structure the course, outline the course structure, include the lessons, topics, and the activities, determine how long the lesson will be and how you will deliver the content, whether in video format or in text format or an audio format, that you have to plan. So first, selecting the topics. Second, defining your objective. What's the result you want to bring to your student, and plan the course structure. That is the third step. The fourth step is to create the content. So once you have decided on these things, then you have to develop the content for each lesson, including slides, videos, audio recordings, and other resources. Ensure that the content is engaging, informative, and easy to understand. So you have to now you have to create the content. So then after creating the content, then you have also have some develop assessments like that. You have to how you are going to gauge their learning. So you have to create assessments such as quizzes, assignments, and projects to help learners to apply and reinforce what they have learned. So that is also very important with the content. After they gone through the content, we should also able to assess their knowledge using different methods. So develop those assessment methods. Then once you created the topic, created the content, then you have to upload, because you have to choose a platform where you want to online if you want to upload. So there is a lot of learning management systems available, or online platforms are available where you can host or deliver your course. Okay, there are several options available, such as online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and also the learning management system like Teachable and Invento, Plumber, and many are available. If you can search online, and you can find it, a number of such platforms available nowadays. Okay, so this is the next steps to upload the content, and for that you have to choose a platform. Then okay, before uploading, you have to record it. Okay, record your videos, audios, and other content, and then upload them to your chosen platform. Ensure that content is of high quality and easy to access. So that is depend upon the how you are going to create those videos or audios or text, and what format you are going to make, and also the platforms you are choose, that how easily it's accessible. How much time it takes to open a video and play the content and all those kind of things. So you have to see those things also while record and upload the content. Then definitely you have to promote the course if you want to earn something out of that, what you are doing. So you have to market and promote your course to your target audience through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Consider offering discounts or early bird offers to attract more learners. So you can adopt a different marketing strategy and how you are advertising and promoting all those kind of things. You have to take actions if you want to, and definitely you want to earn. That's why you are creating an online content. Okay, so if you have some other purpose, well and good. Then definitely you have to go to collect the feedback, iterate, gather feedbacks from learners and use it to improve your course content and structure. So don't think that at first go itself you can create those perfect content. So don't go for this procrastinating to creating the content, thinking that I am not creating the perfect content. Your perfect content will come only when you meet your audience, you meet your students, because their feedbacks only can improve the contents. First, you have to offer something to them. So you have to create the content for what you like to offer at the first time. And once you get the feedback from the students, definitely you can improve and bringing to close more quality content you can create, because that's what your students require. So it's only will happen if you are taking the feedback and bringing those points, flows into your content. So then it will become more engaging and informative and effective, so that more people will be interested to learn it, and also those people who already is there will like it. That our proactive action is making them to get the right kind of content, even though at the first time they didn't got the right things. But if the creator is ready to make the necessary changes, looking at the feedback of the students, it will be an awesome content. So that is the main point, to collect the feedback. So by following these steps, you can create a high quality online course that provides value learners and helps you to share your expertise with a broader audience. So it's the broader steps I have given. You have many things inside. If you have to build the capacity or skills to create content, and also to market in social media or any other ways, and how to implement, how to collect the feedback, and how to correct it in the right way, and all those kind of things. You may require a mentor for that, especially for engineers. I am helping engineers for creating, applying applying these kind of digital skills to promote their expertise, also to create that content of the course, also to monetize their expertise. So thank you for watching this, and hope that you will be subscribing the channel and will share somebody who is in need of this kind of information. So thank you very much.